So I've had some students with issues with the open intro package not being available, which means that it doesn't recognize the student sleep data or the data that we use down below. And so what you'll need to do is you'll need to install the open intro package. There's a couple different ways to do that. So one is that you can take this code install.packages and then in brackets open intro and type it down into the console, and that will sort of load the package so that now you can call it using the library. The other option is you can go over to this packages button and press install and then type in open intro and in install, and it will do the same thing. It'll just, oh, I wrote intro. Haha, that's funny. Open intro. There we go. And it will again just copy and paste that same code. So either way, that should install the open intro package, and then you should be able to proceed with the rest of the data.